Hi, my name is Prem, and this is my second interview questions for data engineers and product manager and business analyst. And this is very simple questions. Most of interviewer they will ask first or second questions. So here, employee who is earning more than their manager's salary. So we would like to find here the employee who is having more salary than his manager. So if you see the data, this is the employee table. This table contain ID, name, salary, manager ID. Okay, ID is a primary key. So primary key, we need to understand of data. Based on primary key, name is also, ID is unique, but name is also like each name. And if you see ID, name, salary, and manager salary. So for employee 1, his manager is 3. So now manager 3 salary is this 60,000, employee is 70. So if I say the salary of the joy is more than his manager salary, so how we would like to do this is only, so idea is here to understand how to the calculate or compute in the SQL. So let's create the table, right? In MySQL, and we'll see. So this is what table is. I'm going to I already created here employee table, paste here, and then inserted data. So let's see the data. So this is the data. Now employee whose salary is more than his manager. So first we need to join, put into together in one line salary of Joe salary and his manager salary is here. So how we will do? Any idea? I think you can pause video and think about this one. How we will the put this salary into one line. So idea is here. That is called join. So what I say here, I put the alias name as employee. Okay, right. So alias name, just alias name. Then I'm going to do inner join, right? Why I'm doing inner join? Because we are, if he has a manager, then only we need to get, right? So if then I'm doing manager. So this is manager table, right? So on employee, right, dot id, employee dot manager id, right, and manager dot mgr dot id, right? I think this will, you can see the data, it should be in the one line. Joy, his manager is 3 and his salary is 60,000. Henry, his manager 8,000. Now it's very simple. Now we can give where now what we are looking here, we would like to see the name of employee whose salary is their manager salary. So now we can apply the condition. So this is greater, right? So we are looking employee salary then manager salary. So we can do is employee dot salary is manager salary, right? mgr dot salary. Now you see Joe. So now what we are looking here, name, emp dot name, so we'll get the name we got. So now let's see if this will pass our test cases or not. Why is Joe value joy employee name, we put here alias name is wrong. So I mean, they are looking the same alias name. It's just simple as alias name. We can change here column alias name, table alias name. There are 2-3 factor. So it's very simple, and this is most interviewer they will ask. It's very simple, but need to understand how it works and how the SQL is works. So I think you can also practice, and you can play this data and insert data here and whatever you think you can do, and let me format for you guys so it can be understand more. So this is what we did. We just joined these two tables. Earlier when you're doing this create two tables, right, in database 1 and 1. Then we are joining this one, so this join will filter out data, and where also will filter out. So yeah, so this is final result, and thank you for watching. Please help to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.